Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinauer. Today I want to talk to you about a patient who had a stroke in 2020. And after vision therapy and Syntonics, what happened to him? Now, before we go into that, I'm going to talk to you about how you can connect with us. If you're local, call us at 618-288-1489. If you're not local, go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. You can do one of two things. You can either fill out a questionnaire with some general information that will provide feedback to us and to you, and if you're wanting to go a little bit farther and you're ready to take that next step, then you can just schedule a consultation time directly with me. Click the button and follow the directions on what to do next. Now let's talk about this patient who had a stroke in 2020 and what happened to him. We started working with him sometime in the middle of 2021, and let me just share with you kind of what happened to him. What's his story? So I'm going to show you his right eye visual field test first. So this is his right eye visual field. You can see that he had a problem area here. All of this black was missing, but he had this little bite-sized area of vision down at the bottom that he could see. Now the date is March of 2021. That was probably around the beginning of the time that we just started to first work with him. So after we had worked with him for a couple of months, this is what his visual field had progressed to. And then he just had this visual field taken the other day. And you can see that his vision is still continuing to open up slowly but surely. Now that is his right eye. Let me show you his left eye. So his left eye, initially at the very beginning of us working with him, looked like this. You can see once again he had a little problem area here. Definitely all this blackened area was a problem area where he didn't see, but he had again a bite-sized area that he could see in down here at the bottom. Now after we worked with him for a couple of months, we kind of progressed and saw a little bit of a change where more opened up, but then we have this change from just the other day. And you can tell a lot more of that visual field has opened up for him on that left eye. Now, he actually has graduated our program, but we have given him a course of treatment to continue to follow, and there's no reason why he can't continue to gain more of his visual field back. In fact, most of our patients who have gone through our program who had strokes and lost vision, if it was severe, such as this gentleman's, we do tend to find that even over time after they've not discontinued, but they graduated from our program, even after they have graduated from our program, what happens is they will continue to gain back more vision. So while they're in our therapy program, we typically will see anywhere from 10 to 80% of the vision being restored. But even if they end our program and it's a graduation moment and they still are like, oh man, I really want to get more of my vision back, that's okay. We tell them to continue to work on the things that we've given them, the skills and the tools that they have can still keep working for them, and they can still continue to see improvement many months down the road. Pardon me. In fact, many of our patients will connect with us months afterwards and sometimes even a year or two after. I have one individual patient who had a severe vision loss similar to this gentleman, except entire one side of her vision was lost for both of her eyes. And when she began working with us, we started noticing some small pockets of vision coming back. To this day, however, she's gained back approximately 80% of her vision, and she graduated about a year ago, but she continues to work on her vision. So it's amazing what you can continue to accomplish if you just don't give up. Now, if you're thinking, hey, oh my gosh, this sounds great, you've had a stroke, or your spouse has had a stroke, or a friend, then if you're local, give us a call to find out more details about how we might be able to help you. Our phone number is 618-288-1489. If you're not local to us though, it's okay because we can still possibly help. You just want to go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com and click on the schedule a consultation with us. We will work with you, work with the doctor who's local to you, and provide a plan of action in order to help you with your vision. And if you like this video, we'd love it if you like it. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. As I always say, if this video is something that you would find that could potentially help someone else, maybe help restoring their vision after a stroke and vision loss, or a traumatic brain injury and vision loss, please pass it on to help them. It's like giving them the gift of sight. Thank you.